Let's share with you another request. Brianna talked with Angel at the Essex County Court the other day, and then she sent her a letter. I also sent a copy of my own. I bring to your attention that Essex County, directed by Attorney General T.J. Donovan and run by Vincent Illuzzi, continuously are committing misconduct, violating rights, as well as the most important right, continuing the constitutional right, human rights, civil rights, disability rights, USC 242, 1983, 1980, 81, and USC 18242 and 241, along with many others, being retaliative and violating, noting that Vermont State Police have continuously been directed by, without a doubt, T.J. Donovan to violate and retaliate, causing much hardship and creating criminal charges that have been requested by the FBI in Washington, D.C., or to FBI, okay, in Washington, D.C., to investigate all judicial branches throughout the state of Vermont, judges, attorneys, clerks, and all involved in the false, gross charges, as well as acts being committed against myself and my family. I make it very well known and aware to the public, as well as all legal aspects, straight up to the White House in Washington, D.C. All politicians, please be made aware that I am requesting and demanding that Vermont be investigated. T.J. Donovan, Patrick Leahy, Bernie Sanders, and all have been well aware of the sex trafficking and covering the story, as well as hiding the evidence by burning my home, stealing my property, to include but not limited to vehicles, trailers, personal identification, court filings, and a whole lot more. Again, to include but not limited to evidence that was listed in previous filings that were denied by the same courts, being a conflict of interest. I have requested a change of venue, and that again has been denied due to all the corrupt organized crime being committed by all against myself and my daughter. I request and demand this be set for an emergency hearing, and that all charges pertaining to myself be dismissed immediately. I will be furthering my request for investigation, and I am requesting criminal charges against Attorney General T.J. Donovan, Patrick Leahy, Bernie Sanders, Vincent Illuzzi, and all court staff. Attached are copies of forwarded emails that prove Angel lied when she said she had not received Brianna's request for her name to be taken out of Kevin Bickford's charges against me that were already found to be false charges by the residing judge in Guildhall Court back in April of 2021. So why is it that you haven't done your job? And why is it that you have told me before, Angel, that my case files burned up in a closed case fireproof vault? I want those answers, and I'm asking them publicly now that I'm in Washington, D.C. Kimberly Crossan, parentheses, HOWES. CC, Washington, D.C., White House staff, and President Biden. All Congress, state, and local government agencies from Maine across the nation. Your email has been received at the Vermont Supreme Court docket clerk's inbox, okay? So that right there tells you, again, they have received confirmation. I've got audio recordings, I've got emails, I've got written confirmation. What the fuck else is it that they think they need, other than they are so viciously trying to silence myself and Bree? They continuously overlook the fact that we've requested, for one, I requested the dismissal on all these charges anyway, so why wasn't that even heard? Oh, by the way, there were two court-appointed pretenders. They were both conflict of interest. They said they were going to find another one. This is over a year fucking later, okay? March 29, 2021 is when I requested that the case be dismissed immediately because we all knew it was false. And then the judge agreed and commented that he noted in my case for a restraining order that Kevin Bickford fucking lied I was charged wrongfully. A search warrant, not once, but perhaps twice, served on my apartment for what? Because of his fucking drug activity? And the Vermont State Police, Jeffrey Noyes threatened my life, and nothing was done about it. So therefore, this one is being sent out for you all. And just know that every single one of my videos, I still have a copy of that were deleted back in January when I had all the proof of information that I shared with everybody. So now, I've got them all on CD. Uploaded to a CD, and there will not be any erasing of me. Thank you.